Hello, I'd like to use the lounge. May I see your boarding pass, please? Is the food complimentary? How long can I stay?
Hello, can I access this lounge?
Yes, with an eligible boarding pass.
Do I need a membership?
Not if your ticket includes lounge access.
Can you check my boarding pass?
Certainly.
Is the Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it's complimentary.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's printed on your access card.
Is the connection fast?
Yes, it's high speed.
Is there a quiet area?
Yes, it's on the second floor.
Can I make a phone call there?
Please use the phone booth.
Is it usually quiet?
Yes, it is.
Has Flight 302 been delayed?
Yes, by 30 minutes.
Has boarding started?
Not yet.
Will you update us?
Yes, we'll keep you informed.
Are the food and drinks free?
Yes, they're included.
Do you serve hot meals?
Yes, during meal times.
Can I have coffee?
Of course.
Will my flight be announced here?
Yes, major flight updates are announced.
Should I still check the display screen?
Yes, please do.
Will you announce boarding?
Yes, we will.
Do you have shower rooms?
Yes, we do.
Do I need to reserve one?
Yes, if they're busy.
Are towels provided?
Yes, towels are included.
Where can I charge my phone?
Charging stations are by the windows.
Do you have USB ports?
Yes, every seat has them.
Can I charge my laptop too?
Certainly. What time does the lounge close?
It closes at midnight.
Is it open every day?
Yes, 24 hours during peak travel seasons.
Can I stay until my flight?
Yes, you may. Thank you for your excellent service.
You're very welcome.
Where is gate A12?
Go straight, then turn right.
Have a great day.
You too. Have a pleasant flight.
Are you traveling to Tokyo for business?
No, I'm actually going on vacation.
Have you been there before?
This will be my second visit.
What would you recommend seeing?
Definitely explore the older neighborhoods.
Do you travel for work often?
Usually 2 or 3 times a month.
Doesn't that get exhausting?
Sometimes, especially on long-haul flights.
How do you manage the jet lag?
I adjust my sleep schedule beforehand.
Have you arranged transportation after landing?
Yes, my hotel is sending a driver.
How far is it from the airport?
Roughly 40 minutes.
Are you heading straight there?
Yes, I'll check in and get some rest. Have you found a free charging outlet?
There's one beside my chair.
Would you mind if I used it?
Not at all.
Is your laptop already charged?
Yes, I'm finished with it. Are you waiting for the flight to Singapore?
Yes, I'm on the evening flight.
Have you flown this route before?
Several times, actually.
Is it usually on time?
For the most part, yes.
Would you mind keeping an eye on my bag?
Sure, I'll be here.
Are you staying for a while?
At least another 30 minutes.
Would 5 minutes be okay?
Of course, take your time.
Do you prefer a window or aisle seat?
Usually the aisle on longer flights.
Is that mainly for extra freedom?
Yes, I like being able to move around.
What about short flights?
Then I'd probably choose the window.
Do you know which aircraft we're flying on?
I think it's a Boeing 787.
Have you flown on one before?
Several times.
Is it comfortable for long flights?
Yes, especially compared with older aircraft.
Have you tried anything from the buffet?
Yes, the noodles are surprisingly good.
Is there anything you'd recommend?
I'd definitely try the local dishes.
Are they quite spicy?
Not particularly.
Do you usually use airport lounges?
Whenever I have a long layover.
How did you get access today?
It's included with my credit card.
Do you think it's worth it?
Definitely on longer trips.
Did you buy anything at duty free?
Just a few gifts.
Were the prices actually cheaper?
Some items were.
Is it worth looking around?
Definitely if you have time.
Do you always travel with just a carry-on?
Whenever possible.
How do you pack everything into that?
I only bring the essentials.
Doesn't that limit what you can take?
A little, but it's much more convenient.
How much time do you have between flights?
Only about 50 minutes.
Isn't that a bit tight?
Yes, especially at such a large airport.
Are your flights in the same terminal?
Fortunately, they are.
Has your flight been delayed too?
Yes, by nearly an hour.
Did they mention the reason?
Apparently, it's due to bad weather.
Do you think it'll be delayed further?
Hopefully not.
Was your last flight turbulent?
Quite a bit near the end.
Does turbulence usually bother you?
Not unless it gets really rough.
Were you able to sleep?
Surprisingly, yes.
Have they started boarding your flight?
Not yet, but it should be soon.
How early do you usually head to the gate?
About 20 minutes beforehand.
Should we leave now?
Yes, that's probably a good idea.
Do you have a connecting flight after this?
Yes, I'm connecting through Dubai.
How long is your layover?
Just under 3 hours.
Is that enough time to transfer?
It should be more than enough. How long is your layover here?
Almost 6 hours.
Are you staying in the lounge the whole time?
Probably, unless I explore the terminal.
Is there enough to do here?
More than I expected.
Which app do you use to track your flights?
I normally use the airline's app,
Does it update delays quickly?
usually before the airport screens do.
Does it send gate change alerts?
Yes, automatically.
Are you taking the overnight flight?
Yes, it leaves around midnight.
Can you normally sleep on planes?
Only if I get a decent seat.
Do you prefer red-eye flights?
Sometimes, because they save daytime.
Great job! Keep practicing your English every day.
Subscribe to Daily English Voices for more real-life English conversations.